Hello viewers, today I'm going to show how to set passcode on skybag. By default it was set to 000. It's a brand new bag, so by default it has a 000. So we can see whether it is locked or unlocked. Once we slide this to outside, this should come out. We'll try. Wow, then this 000 was the by default password it has set earlier. Now we are going to set this, or we are changing this passcode as our wish. Just simple trick I'm going to show you today. Just slide this to outside and set the code which you like. Just slide it and change the number, whatever your wish number. So here I am going to set it 007. It's a James Bond number, I know that. So see, if you try to pull outside, it should come easily, means it was set in. Drag this, lock it back again and change the number. See, we are unable to pull this outside or slide this outside. So for doing that we have to set 0 0 7, which we set it. Then try to slide. If slide, it should open here. We'll try. Ready, set, go. Yeah, it's unlocked. 007. Thanks for watching this video. Cheers.